Now let us study agriculture in Maharashtra. So children, agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Now for agriculture we require various factors such as climate, soil, availability of water that affects the growth of crops. Different regions of Maharashtra get different amount of rainfall, and as a result there is a variety in the crops grown in Maharashtra. Then, in Maharashtra, rice is grown in the area of high rainfall. Wheat, tur, soybean are grown in the areas of medium rainfall, and jawar, bajra, and moth beans are grown in the area of a low rainfall. So this is how the agriculture and the crops depends on the rainfall. The cash crops like sugarcane, cotton, turmeric, onions, vegetables, and the fruits like mangoes, coconut, cashew nuts, betel nut, grapes, oranges, bananas, chickus are also grown in Maharashtra. Agriculture in Maharashtra depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed agriculture. In Maharashtra, in some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated agriculture. Now, the agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season, and the one that falls during the winter is called the Rabi season. Now children, let us study more details, that is the languages and the dialects in Maharashtra. States in India were formed on the basis of the languages. Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Now dialects of Marathi such as Konkani, Malwani, Varadhi, Ahirani, etc. are spoken in Maharashtra. Then Gomati, Kolami, Korku, etc. are the traditional dialects of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. Now children, you all must be knowing there are various festivals celebrated in Maharashtra. So which are the festivals celebrated in Maharashtra? The festivals like Diwali, Dasahara, Christmas, Eid, Ganesh Chaturthi, etc. are celebrated on a large scale in Maharashtra. 15 August and 26 January are the national festivals which are celebrated with great enthusiasm in Maharashtra and all over the country. So children, this is how our state has been formed from village to state.